Ahoy there, mateys! My name is Kirk from JK Adventures, and I'm with my trusty sidekick, Juanita. Right now, I'm just come guzzling the goggles so we can see the sharks. Because you know, sharks can see you, and you can see the sharks, but the sharks can't see the water, and that's the problem.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I've been on my $80 pants that are made from whale skin. Because when you're in the ocean, you want to look like the animal so you don't get attacked like an animal. Oh shit, there's a Crocky, mate! Crocky, hurry! Hurry, there's a giant iguana! Boom! What's up, JK Adventure fans? You already know who it is, it's Kirk. I'm a little busy, I'm unpacking right now, but as you can see, we're gonna go scuba diving on today's adventure. Because I want to teach Juanita how to scuba dive. I have my scuba diving license, and she's in the process of getting hers, but I want her to get comfortable. And if you're gonna snitch, just know snitches get stitches, okay? It's a little wavy today by the intercoastal. Everything's falling down, but no better time to learn than when there's rip tides and rip currents and giant 10-foot sharks in the water. Just trying to set up the gear right now, but yeah, this video is gonna contain just this bit of talking, so if you guys would like to hear us talk, you're in for a treat. And we're just gonna go under the water and try to get some pretty cool footage for you. We're not at any special reefs. We're just at Peanut Island. If you guys are from Florida, South Florida, West Palm area, you know what Peanut Island is. It's where everybody goes to get turned up and get lit. But we don't do that here. We go on JK Adventures here. But stay tuned, because you're in for a treat. Saw all that live action, like Steve Irwin himself getting in there with fish, down and dirty. You know what I'm talking about. But taught Juana how to scuba dive, did a little snorkeling. Morning time was a little murky, so visibility was poor. In the afternoon, you're gonna see a lot more clearer pictures. It became high tide and the water was crystal clear, but it was super fun. The water was perfect temperature, felt so good. I think I'm sunburnt. Don't tell my mom, she might get mad, but we had a good time, guys, and you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and make sure you follow our social medias, all right? And share some love. Peace.
Bye, guys.